Good morning, my Asas National fan band. How are you all? I hope you guys are safe and sound at your places and you guys are enjoying these rainy days. Well, I'm enjoying them too. But let's not forget that we have started our second term online lectures, and this is going to be your second lecture on the topic natural disasters. It's mean you guys have already received one lecture on this topic, and this is going to be your second lecture on the topic natural disasters. Well, guys, as you know that you guys are receiving two video lectures in 1 week. Well, guys, this lecture you will receive in parts. Okay, so let's not forget that we are going to do review of our first lecture first, because it is very important to revise the previous lesson before we start our new lecture. Well, guys, in our lecture number 1, we guys have studied about disaster. I have told you what is natural disaster, types of disasters, floods, causes, and preventions. In our previous lecture, our main focus was floods. Okay, because as I told you that we will only discuss the main natural disasters. Okay, so in our previous lecture I have told you about few of man-made disasters as well. Well, guys, let's talk about our lecture number 2. In this lecture, guys, we are going to focus on natural disaster, which is earthquake. Okay, I will tell you about earthquake. We will discuss the causes of earthquake and we will discuss the preventions. Okay, preventions means safety measures. Girls and guys, as you know very well that an event resulting from the natural processes of the earth that has harmful effect on human beings, animals, vegetation and water creatures is called natural disaster. Well, guys, a natural disaster cannot be stopped, slowed, or diverted. You can say that natural disaster is something which is called catastrophe. You cannot stop it, you cannot dissolve it, you cannot divert it. Okay. Well, guys, human and the capital resources and the advanced technology have been unable to cope up with the natural disasters. It's mean that in we are in living in the 21st century, and many development has been made, and the lots of latest technology we guys are using, but still we are unable to stop natural disaster. So it is very important to know that what are preventions and what are the safety measures to control any natural disaster or to suffer in any natural disaster. Okay, so in our today's lecture we guys are going to focus on earthquake. I will tell you that what is earthquake and what are preventions, what are causes of earthquake. Well, guys, earthquake is, you can say that an earthquake is a sudden movement of Earth's crust which lasts for a very short time. And guys, that short time may be 1 minute, and sometimes it could be 2 minutes, and guys it can never last for hours, or you can say that for 30 to 40 minutes, because if it will last for that time duration, that will bring so much great disaster and the so much great, you can say that, damage to this earth. Okay, so you can say that the sudden shaking of a part of the earth's surface that often causes great damages is called earthquake. Okay, so guys, to understand what is earthquake, it is very important for you to know that how many you can say that how many parts your earth has where you guys are living. Okay, the place where I am sitting right now, you are sitting right now, and the place where all the construction has been done and where houses are there, that place is called, that part of the earth is called crust. Okay, so the second layer of the earth is called mantle, and the third layer of the earth is called outer core. Okay, and the final and the last layer of the earth is called inner core. Okay, so it is very important for you to know that how many layers your earth has. Okay, first layer where all construction is being done, that is called crust. Second layer is called mantle, and the third layer is called outer core, and the last and the final layer is called inner core. Okay, so you need to understand that you feel earthquake because of the movement of the plates which are existing inside your crust. Okay, so girls and guys, you have to see that what kind of disaster any earthquake can bring in your area, in your country, and to this planet earth. The picture which is right now rotating on your screen, you can see that how much big disaster is happened because of this earthquake. Well guys, you will receive this video in two part. In first part, we guys will discuss few causes of earthquake. Well guys, there are two basic causes of earthquake. Okay, the first cause of the earthquake is you can say that the movement of the plates inside the earth. Well, guys, the upper layer of the earth is made up of many plates. When these plates move, they rub each other and causes the earthquake. Okay, so guys, you need to know very clearly that these plates used to move every second of the hour. Every second of the day, these plates move. But guys, why you don't feel earthquake every time? You don't feel earthquake every time because these plates move very slowly, and you can compare the growth of your nail and the movement of these plates. You can say that they resemble. This example is quite suitable for this explanation. These plates move very slowly, and you guys will you can say that you can't even feel that movement, but this movement happens with every bit of your second. Okay, so you can say that there are two causes of earthquake. First cause, as I told you, that is the upper layer of the earth is made up of many plates, and these plates are called tectonic plates. Okay, these plates are called tectonic plates. So you can do this experiment at your home. Okay, take two rusks. Yeah, I think this is available. These are this stuff is available in your kitchen as well. Take it out, and you can take two biscuits and cut them in this manner where they can get fixed in with each other. Okay, so you will feel that when you will rub them with each other, and you will feel the vibration. Okay, so this vibration you can relate with earthquake. Well, guys, the second cause of earthquake is volcanic process or volcanic pressure. Well, guys, as you know that I have told you that there are four layers of your earth. The inner core of your earth is made up of the molten lava. Okay, so guys, you can say that the second cause of the earthquake is volcanic process. It means when hot liquid matter moves underground, it comes out through the weak part of the surface. And guys, when it comes out with great pressure, you will feel the earthquake whenever it comes with great pressure. So you can say that the first reason which I told you, that happens very frequently, and the second reason which I am telling you, that might be, you can say that sometimes you feel earthquake because of the movement of the tectonic plates. Okay, and the second cause is very rare. Well, guys, in 2005, the horrible earthquake struck Kashmir and the some part of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Muzaffarabad, and many more, other mountainous areas of Pakistan. Well, guys, because of that earthquake, Pakistan, faced great damage. Okay, in 2005, I still remember that day. That was a Saturday. I was at my home. My grandmother was there, and guys, that was really horrible stuff. Really very horrible stuff. So as I told you that you cannot stop any natural disaster, nor you can divert it, nor you can dissolve it. Okay, only thing you can do, that is called prevention or safety measures. Well, girls and guys, as I told you that you will receive this video lecture in two parts. First part you will definitely going to receive on Monday, then you will receive the second part of this lecture on Thursday. Okay, so guys, in the first part which you will receive on Monday, you will see that I have explained that what is a disaster, and we have discussed about earthquake. Okay, so let's not forget that I am going to show you what is earthquake through a video lecture as well. I'm going to add a video a video clip inside this lecture which will tell you more about this earthquake. Okay, so firstly you have have to revise that how many layers your earth has. Your earth has 4 layers. First is called crust, second is called mantle, and the third one is called outer core, and the last one is called inner core. Okay, so guys, earthquake is such a massive disaster. Okay, so you can say that earthquake brings lots of damage to any country, or to this planet earth. So guys, let's watch a video which will tell us more about the causes of earthquake.
Even years, what causes earthquakes and where do they happen? The earth has 4 major layers: the inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. The crust and the top of the mantle make up a thin skin on the surface of our planet. But this skin is not all in one piece. It is made up of many pieces covering the surface of the earth.
Well guys, these you can say that the plates which you can see right now popping up on the screen, these plates are called tectonic plates. Okay, your crust is made up of these plates which are called tectonic plates. You can see the placement of these plates. First plate is located on the top and the second plate is located between the center of the earth. Okay, when these plates move they move fastly and they rub each other, you feel the vibration, or you can say that earthquake. Okay, these vibration or shaking and the sudden movement of the earth is called earthquake. You can say that the upper layer of the earth is made up of many plates, and guys, these plates are called tectonic plates. When these plates move, they rub each other, and guys, this stuff will cause the earthquake.
These pieces are called tectonic plates, and the edges of the plates are called the plate boundaries. These pieces keep moving around slowly, sliding past one another and bumping into each other. These plate boundaries are made up of many faults, and most earthquakes around the world occur on these faults. Why does the earth shake when there is an earthquake? While the edges of the faults are stuck together and the rest of the block is moving, the energy that would normally cause the blocks to slide past one another is being accumulated. When the force of the moving blocks finally overcomes the friction of the jagged edges of the fault, it breaks free, and all that stored up energy is released. The seismic waves shake the earth as they move through it, and when the waves reach the earth's surface, they shake the ground and anything on it, like our houses and us. The energy radiates outward from the faults in all directions in the form of seismic waves, like ripples in a pond. How are earthquakes recorded? Earthquakes are recorded by instruments called seismographs. The recording they make is called a seismogram. The seismograph has a base that sets firmly on the ground and a heavy weight that hangs free. When an earthquake causes the ground to shake, the base of the seismogram shakes too, but the hanging weight does not. Instead, the spring that is hanging absorbs all the movement. The difference in position between the shaking part of the seismograph and the motionless part is what is recorded.
Girls and guys, have you seen in the video clip which I have added in this lecture? What are the basic causes of earthquake? Okay, the first cause is the movement of the plates, and the second cause is volcanic process. Okay, so girls and guys, in our next part of this lecture, we guys will discuss about the preventions of earthquake. Okay, what should we do during earthquake and after earthquake and before earthquake? Okay, so take care of yourself. I will see you in the second part of the video lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.